This is a short video on putting up the mini corner sofa set stool. I'll let you know how easy it is. This has just been unboxed now. Right. Here is everything. Comes pretty well packed. Sammy, you clean it up, are you, mate? Alright. Apparently it takes 2 hours to put together. Surely it can't be that hard. Hey, so I've unboxed it all. Everything is labelled pretty. Got numbers on them now. Everything's got a number and it looks pretty big. Apparently this is going to take me 2 hours. I can't imagine that really, because it's such big parts. And obviously you've got the bits and that to screw it together. There certainly is. So some of the screws are a bit tight. You're going to try to get them in the little gap like that. And that. Obviously, if you can, use a screwdriver. Isn't that right, sir? I'm making a YouTube video, mate. This ain't most user friendly. Bit of a git to get them in there, and it's going to be a right pain in the ass. I can't use my drill on this one, so yeah, that's why it probably takes 2 hours to put up, trying to tighten them up. Right, so we're getting there. It's pretty easy to put up, really. You can do it on your own, right, by using other parts of the ratan to prop it up. But yeah, it's easily one-man job. Right, last few bits going in. So that's it. All put together. As you can see, it pretty much just bolts together. There you are. Each section there kind of just bolts together. It's really easy, really. Not hard at all. I don't think anyone could do it. And there we have it. All finished.